Welcome to G Suite Training, Storing, Creating, and Sharing Made Simple. This is Kathleen Mansfield, and I'll be your digital learning specialist with this training. This is video tutorial number 2, all about G Suite Drive, accessing the drive, uploading files, downloading files, and locating items within your drive. In the last tutorial, we learned how to log into our account. So now that we're logged into our account, we want to access our G Suite Drive. So in the waffle, what we want to do is locate and click on the Drive app. So I'm going to use the gray waffle right here. And when I click on it, it is going to open all of my apps in my G Suite. And I'm looking for this app, the Drive app. It has a yellow side, a green side, a blue side, and will say Drive. You can also access your Drive app from the colorful waffle up here. I'm going to access it here from the gray waffle, and I'm going to click on it. When it opens, you will see that the school district logo up here at the top left, it says Comal ISD Drive. If you have personal accounts, this will be sure to show you that you are in your school drive. Your drive is a place where you will store, create, and collaborate with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, videos, forms, all kinds of things created by Google. So one of the first things we want to do is to show you how to upload files into your drive. And I also want to show you that there are 2 ways to organize it when we get there. So your drive may be empty. Mine is very full. It has folders on the top and documents that I've uploaded. So you're probably wondering, how do I get my files into my drive? So it's really simple. The first thing that you want to do is to click the New button. When you click the New button, this menu will open. You can create a new folder, upload a file. You can upload an entire folder. It's going to take a little longer than a file, but you can upload that whole folder. And then here you can create all kinds of new things. But to upload a file, you can upload a file in many different multiple formats. You can upload photos, videos, Microsoft products in their original forms like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can upload PDFs. And you can store them as their original format, or Google will allow you to convert them. Okay, so click the New file, and I'm going to upload a file and show you how easy it is. I'm going to click File, Upload, and what it's going to do is open my computer and allow me to find a document that I want to upload. So I am just going to upload this lovely picture that I found online, and I double-clicked it. And you can see down here, it was uploading in it, and now it's showing me that the upload is complete. If I want to find it in my drive, I can hover over this little magnifying glass here, and it will highlight it in my drive and show me where it put it. So there's that lovely picture I just uploaded. So that's how to upload a file into your G Suite Drive. Now, let's say you want to organize it. You can tell that I have folders at the top. Maybe I want to put that in a folder. After a while, you're going to have so many documents and things in here, you're going to want to put some things in folders. So the way to do that, if you are like me and you like all your folders, I like mine with colors and then all my documents below, you may not like this view. You may be more of a linear person, and if that's true, you can have what's called the list view. So I can click on that. And what this does is it allows you to have everything in one big long list. It's in alphabetical order. You can find all of your folders first and then individual documents. So whatever way that you prefer, the grid view or the list view, I'm more of a grid person, and that's the way I think. Google gives you choices for how you want it to be in your drive. Now, to create these folders, you want to click New. And you can see it says New Folder. I'm going to click on that. And just for this, I'm going to put a G Suite Training. If you do not name your folder, it will not save it for you. So to create it, you have to name it. Then, once I've created it, it highlights it and shows me where it is. Okay, by right-clicking on this folder, all the folders are gray by default. if I right click or two finger click on your MacBook, I can add a star, I can change the color, I can do all kinds of things. I can rename it. So if you don't like the name you first gave it, you can change that. Okay, now let's say I want to move a document into that folder. So what I'm going to do is take this first document right here, you just drag and drop it into the folder, and that's how you get items into your folder. Now, after you have created things, you might need to download them. And the way to do that is locate the item that you would like to download. For example, let's say I would like to download this. I click on the document, two finger click, and right here it says download. As soon as I click download, it brings it down here, and there is my document. It's an Excel spreadsheet. I can open it and save it or print it or whatever I would like to do from that point. So that's how to download. Next, you may think, what did I just do with that picture? And if you're like me, after a while, you may have lots and lots of things in here. Well, up at the top, you can see it says Search Drive. This is going to be your friend as you add more and more documents. And what you want to do is just type in the first few items or names. So I might want to put in Sarah's, let's see, Sarah, it's something with Sarah. Here's a copy of Sarah's slideshow. And you can see over here it is giving you the different things. I know this is an image. This is an image, that's a slideshow, that's a drawing, and that's a presentation. And so I know all these things. You can even search if you know that you're looking for a specific product. And the way to do that is, you see when I clicked into the Drive box, I can search just all the PDFs in my Drive or all of the text documents in my Drive. I can search all the spreadsheets, presentations, photos and images, or videos that I have put in my Drive. So that really helps in locating things. Remember that Google started as a search engine, and it makes every single one of its apps searchable, which is super handy, especially as you begin to fill them up. So now that we've learned to access and upload, download, and locate items within our drives, we're through with this tutorial.